Hey guys, today I got another episode for you guys and where I show you a very cool trick or tip on your iPhone in under a minute. Today we're talking about audio. So let's say you're listening to music on your iPhone, you don't have an external speaker to connect to, but you want it to be super loud. Where I'm going to show you how to make that super loud on your iPhone, and it's a very simple trick that you can go here into settings, you want to go to music, then you want to go right here where it says playback, the EQ. You want to go ahead and set that to late night. And I'm going to show you how this improves the sound. So it's off right now. I'm going to go ahead and play a song and you'll see that the song will be louder. And it's going to work for all media. So if you don't have anything external to connect to and you have a gathering of friends and you need your iPhone to be super loud, this is going to be the trick. So let's go ahead and play